me, so I came. I worked with her. She's been my producer for 2 films, and I'm really happy for her success. And I've watched Main Tera Hero. I haven't seen Ragini MMS, but I've seen Main Tera Hero, and I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was very funny. So I'm just here to be a part of my friend's success.
Sonakshi, if you get a chance to work in Ragini MMSC, the franchisee movie with Ekta Kapoor, would you like to do it?
You also know my answer. If it's anything like part 2, I don't think so. Yeah. I've known him for a very long time. I think I have met him a few times even when we were in school. So I think we've all grown up together. And as a person, I think he's a very chilled out, very nice guy, and really funny as well. So I think his personality came out in Main Tera Hero also, and he did a fantastic job. Yeah. Thank you. Lovely. I'd like to congratulate him. I think that's a really big honor, and he deserves it more than anything else.
Sonakshi, this time the election is going to end,
Yes.
but all the celebrity are flying out for international award functions.
Yes.
So, do you think that it's the right moment for the people to not to cheer up because actors won't be voting this year? So, what about that?
Well, I think whatever we can do in our capacity to encourage people to vote, we're doing, and we didn't know that we were going to be flying away. And as responsible citizens, I think if we were here, we would definitely be voting. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, no, actually, I've not seen. I'm not in the country. Just now I entered the country. I mean, one day back I came, so I've not seen. But I have heard about both the films are doing well, and actually, congrats to Varun Dhawan and full team, Ekta Kapoor's team, and everybody's praising everybody. It's too good. Congrats to he's. I've met 2-3 times. He's a very.
Nikhil, but I really enjoyed Main Tera Hero. I think Varun's done a fabulous job. You know, जो Govinda ji करते थे or what Salman has, it's sort of like he's sort of taken from that and he's made it his own and he's really wonderful in the film.
वैसे बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है दो हीरोइंस अगर एक हीरोइन दूसरी हीरोइन की तारीफ करे कि दोनों हीरोइंस से आपको कौन सी पसंद है?
They both are very good, yeah. They both look so good. They've acted very well, and it's a really fun film. It's a very light film, so I think दोनों ने बहुत अच्छा करा. I really can't pick one. But I think it's wonderful, and I'd like to congratulate him. I think it's a great achievement, and I hope there'll be another bigger party for that. I think there must be another bigger party for that. No election versions.
I've not seen Ragini MMS, but I love the music. Char Botar Vodka and Baby Doll are on repeat every morning when I'm getting ready. And Main Tera Hero, of course, I've seen. I saw it the day I landed when I returned from London. I saw a 5:20 show during the finals of India versus Sri Lanka, and everyone was in the theatre and clapping and laughing, and that made me so happy.
Student of the trio, all three of you, both of you had passed with flying colors, Siddharth and you. So this was sort of like Varun's litmus test as a solo actor, and he has also passed on with flying colors.
And he's beat both of us like how, which is a great thing, and I'm sure Sid and me can proudly say that we're very happy. And of course, we forget that he comes from his great father's lineage, and David Dhawan has a big name in comedy, and I think that and his hard work put together has been appreciated really well.
Also, there's added celebration because Mr. Jitendra has been announced for Dadasaheb Phalke Award. So your
Oh, you just told me that. I didn't know that. Okay. So yeah, I should have celebrated more inside, but now I have to rush home because I have to sleep.
okay, also about voting. So are you going to be in the country and your opinion on voting?
Well, I've been promoting 2 states, and wherever we've been going, we've been promoting people to vote. I can't vote, unfortunately, because I have a British passport. But everybody on 24th of April, whoever's in Maharashtra, please go and vote. Thank you so much.